Hey everyone, Ena Takayama here. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm super excited to share a new TUI tool I developed to make NotebookLM even more powerful. NotebookLM is an absolute beast when it comes to organizing information. But right now, there really isn't a simple, official way to just back up an entire notebook and restore it whenever you need it. Because of that, the more sources you add, the more of a headache it becomes to manage everything manually. Now, I use the word backup, but what this tool actually does is export everything straight to your PC. It lets you batch download all your sources and generated notes, saving them locally to your drive. And the best part? Whenever you need them, you can easily bulk upload everything directly into a completely different NotebookLM project.
Hey, this is awesome. Mind if I jump in? So, the big question, is this completely free to use, or is it a paid tool?
Oh hey Ogaki! Yep, it's totally free. I'm going to share the source code on GitHub. The repository will go public right as this video drops.
Oh, sweet. Because usually with this kind of stuff, you just get told to do it by hand, right?
Alright, let's dive right in. First, go ahead and clone the tool from GitHub. And here's what it looks like once it's cloned. The very first step is to run the script to log into your Google account. I'm using Edge, so I'll type in the command you see on the screen. This will pop open a browser window, so just log in normally according to your own setup. Once you're logged in, you should see the NotebookLM page open in your browser.
Hi everyone, Mamu here. I'll be tagging in from this point on. Great to be here.
Oh, hey Mamu, welcome aboard. Wait, just a sec. Before we proceed with the login, let's make sure we're looking at Edge here.
Yep, no doubt about it. That is definitely Edge.
Okay, looks like we're logged in. Now, head back to the command line and hit Enter. It's fetching your NotebookLM info right now, so this part might take a sec depending on your setup. And there we go. You can see auth OK and the count of accessible notebooks right there. That's it. Setup complete.
So I get that it runs on Python, but is there anything else we need?
Great question. Actually, Python is all you need for the basics. I've included a standard mode that runs right out of the box without any extra packages. So basically, if you've made it this far, anyone can use it immediately.
Hang on, though. I'm looking at the GitHub repo right now, and it mentions curses?
Right, that refers to the optional Enhanced mode. It makes screen updates smoother and can reduce flickering on certain terminals. But since it's not pre-installed in every environment, the standard mode is plenty good enough to start with. You can always add it later if you really need it. Alright, time to fire up the main tool. Let's run the script with TUI in the file name. And boom! Here's your list of NotebookLM notebooks. Whoops, the layout gets a little squashed if the screen is too small. Let me just stretch the window out a bit. Give me a sec.
Oh, nice. That's way clearer. Hey, can we run this inside something like VS Code?
Actually, that's probably the smartest move. VS Code's integrated terminal has GPU acceleration built in, so the rendering is way more stable. Less flicker, smoother experience overall. Now, before we hit the backup button, let's quickly open up the target notebook in the browser to verify consistency. Just to prove we're definitely capturing the right one.
That is so typical of engineer Takayama. Gotta be thorough, right?
Exactly. Showing it now makes it way easier to verify that the backup actually matches later on. For this demo, I'm going to use this notebook regarding recovering deleted files. Before we run the backup, let's do a quick sanity check of both the uploaded sources and the AI-generated notes. Okay, looks good. Let's head back to the terminal and get this backup started. Just use the up and down arrow keys to find the project, hit space to check the box, and then press B.
Oh, nice. So that's the download kicking in. Quick question, though, what's it actually using under the hood to communicate?
The short answer is, it's just standard HTTPS. But here's the catch. it doesn't use an official API. Instead, it perfectly replicates the internal RPC calls that your browser uses to talk to NotebookLM.
Honestly, that is a lifesaver. Official APIs can sometimes rack up unexpected costs, right? So my wallet definitely appreciates this. But wait, if they change the back-end specs, doesn't that break everything?
You hit the nail on the head. Since it's unofficial, it is super sensitive to any structural changes. But honestly, having to reverse engineer and adapt to those changes is half the fun. It's a great way to learn. Whoops, looks like the backup finished while we were chatting. Let's go ahead and check out those downloaded files.
Oh, awesome! This is the exact PDF that was generated inside NotebookLM. And yep, it's sitting right here saved locally on the PC. That is super handy.
And there's more. Every single page of this PDF also gets exported as its own individual image file.
Wait a minute, could we even download the underlying images of a PDF straight from the browser like that?
Normally, it's actually a huge pain to grab page-by-page images from the web UI. So this tool grabs the full PDF and spits out each page as an image. Plus, just to be thorough, I set it up to bulk download all your original source files too, like the text or images you initially uploaded. That means your raw sources and your AI-generated outputs are preserved together in one single backup.
Oh, I see. Having the original sources and the final results all neatly packed into the exact same folder makes things so much easier to manage.
Exactly. It stops you from getting completely lost when you review things later. All right, let's switch gears and check out the upload side. And hey, since we just talked about it, I'll run this inside VS Code's integrated terminal. The UI rendering is super stable there. Today, we'll test uploading sources into an existing project. But first, we need to check our current baseline. Otherwise, we won't even know if it worked, right? Let's pull up the project's source list in the browser really quick.
Looks like we're currently sitting at exactly 2 sources.
Got it. All right, heading back to VS Code to kick off the upload from the TUI. Highlight your target project and hit the U key. A menu will pop up asking if you want to upload to a new project or an existing one. We're adding to an existing one today, so we'll go with option 2. Next up, we just need to enter the folder path we want to upload.
Oh, I know this one. This is a classic move on this channel. You just copy the path straight from File Explorer and paste it right in, yeah?
Spot on. Nobody's got time to type all that out by hand, so copy-paste it is. Everything inside the folder you point to gets queued up for upload. Just a quick heads up though. Any file formats that NotebookLM doesn't officially support might get bounced.
Got it. So it's not just about faking the file extension, you actually need to properly convert it into a supported format, right? Like sticking to .txt or .md for text and .pdf for documents, just to be on the safe side.
Exactly. That's the right way to play it. Actually converting the file contents is always your safest bet. All right, looks like the upload just wrapped up, so let's jump back over to the browser and verify. I'll just hit refresh here. Perfect. The source count went up. Let's click into the project itself just to be absolutely sure everything looks right.
Yeah, looks like the uploaded files are definitely there. Wait, scratch that. Did you guys know NotebookLM just rolled out PowerPoint support? Also, it is so not cool that you guys moved ahead without me.
Oh, hey, Izumi. Wait, seriously? PowerPoint support? Oh man, they update way too fast. We literally don't have time to be editing videos right now. I need to patch the tool to support PPTX files. Gotta catch up while I still can.
Just took a quick look. Yeah, it's officially supported. Though, if your slides are completely image-based, dropping them into PowerPoint only really lets you adjust the position and size. Editing the actual text is basically a no-go.
They'll probably fix that eventually, right? But hey, if you build it with a lot of text elements from the get-go, it might make editing way easier down the line. I actually asked the NotebookLM chat for a workaround. and it suggested using OCR.
Yeah, OCR really feels like a last resort when all you have are images. Honestly, instead of struggling to edit those slides manually in PowerPoint, it's probably faster to just adjust your prompts and have the AI recreate them for you.
True that. All right, thanks for waiting, everyone. I just finished the patch adding PPTX backup support. Since I'm on Windows for this one, I'll use pyenv to specify the Python version and boot it up. And hey, while we're at it, let's run the Windows Curses version for that buttery smooth rendering. This should be able to grab the PPTX files now. Quick disclaimer though, older notebooks made before the update won't have PPTX files to begin with, so they'll just be skipped. Anyway, let's pick a project created after NotebookLM added PowerPoint support and run a backup.
Sounds good. So basically, if a PPTX file pops out here, we call it a win, right?
All right, and we're done. Let's go ahead and check those saved files right away.
Nice work. The PPTX file is definitely sitting right there.
Thanks. Now, just to be absolutely sure, let's double check that this file actually opens up properly. All right, it loaded perfectly in PowerPoint. We nailed it. And that's a wrap for today's video. That was our showcase of the new TUI tool designed to take your NotebookLM workflow from tedious manual labor to seamless batch imports and exports. I'll see you all in the next video, where we'll be showing off another custom tool. Catch you later.